Hi everyone! So I'm back again today with Daniel Smith and Roman Szmal comparisons. Today we'll be looking at Daniel Smith's Lunar Earth and Roman Szmal's Aquarius Brown, both made with PBr11, which is magnesium ferrite. So both of these brands re-wet really easily, and they feel similar to Indian Reds in that they're opaque and rather pigmented, but you're going to see a difference in that when they wash down, there's a lot of white space in between, which is really good for mixing colors into it. So other colors will show through in those white spaces, as you see here right now. With Daniel Smith's Lunar Earth, you're going to see a lot of heavy granulation in the mid-tone, in the middle section of the swatch, as you can see there. As for Roman Szmal's Aquarius Brown, it looks very similar to Daniel Smith's version, but slightly more orange. So if you're very particular about the hue, then I think that's something you need to look out for, that there is a difference between the two, just the hue. So as you can see, it when it's washed down, Daniel Smith's Lunar Earth is redder in that it's redder on the scale, whereas Aquarius's is leaning towards yellow. And I also want to say that Daniel Smith's granulation feels more rocky. Is that the word to use? Whereas Aquarius Brown's version is like, the granulation feels softer. The particles of the granulation feel softer and more rounded as compared to Daniel Smith's version. However, I think if you want to try Daniel Smith's Lunar Earth, but it's expensive, you can't find it anywhere, I think Roman Szmal's version is a great substitute if you want to try the pigment. Before I end the video, I wanted to ask if you guys may be interested in, random story times. I was thinking to maybe do story times during my Paint With Me's. If you're interested in that, please let me know. If you're not, also please let me know. Well, that's it for today. You can enjoy my dash cam footage here, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.